Welcome to the webTuyo installation guide. This is installation part 2, where you'll learn how to install the web renderer on your own domain and how to publish and update your website using the web builder. Before you continue, make sure you've already watched installation part 1 and completed all the steps from that section. Now, let's get started.
Go to your Cloudflare dashboard under Workers and Pages. Click Create Application. Select Pages, then click Get Started. Next, click Connect to GitHub. Choose your organization, then under Permissions, select Only Selected Repositories. From the list, pick the repository that ends with _WT_public. Click Install and Authorize. Once authorized, select the WT_public repository again. In the build settings, scroll to Root Directory Advanced. In the path field, type public. Then click Save and Deploy.
Wait for the deployment process to finish. Then click Continue to Project. Next, go to Settings. Under Branch Control, uncheck Enable Automatic Production Branch Deployment, and under Preview Branch, select None. Then click Save. Now let's create a deploy hook. Click the plus button, give your webhook a name, select Main as the branch to build, and click Save.
Click the Copy button to copy the webhook URL you just created. Then, go to your worker settings, the one you created during installation part 1. Edit the variable named Cloudflare_page_deploy_hook_URL. Paste a URL inside the value field and click Deploy. Now we'll connect this Cloudflare Pages project to a new subdomain which will be automatically created by Cloudflare. Before continuing, make sure your domain is already added to your Cloudflare account. Go back to Workers and Pages. Select the project you just created, then go to Custom Domains and click Set up a custom domain. In the field, type static dot followed by your domain name. Click Continue. Then click Activate Domain. Wait for the process to complete. It can take up to 48 hours, but usually it's done within about 15 minutes. Once it's ready, go back to your worker settings from installation part 1. Edit the variable Cloudflare Pages URL. In the value field, write your subdomain. Make sure it starts with https:// and has no spaces. Then click Deploy. Next, we'll install another worker by importing a new repository. Go to github.com/new/import. Paste the source repository URL. You'll find it in the description. Give your repository a name, select Private, and click Begin Import. Wait for the import to complete. Then go to your Cloudflare dashboard and copy your account ID. You can see it in the browser's address bar. Return to your new GitHub repository, open Settings, then Secrets and Variables, and click Actions. Click New Repository Secret. In the name field, type Cloudflare_account_ID and paste your account ID into the secret field. Then click Add Secret.
Back in your Cloudflare dashboard, under Manage Account, click Account API Tokens. Click Create Token, choose Custom Token, and then click Get Started. Give your token a name. Under Permissions, select Account D1 Edit. Then click Add More, and choose Account Workers Scripts Edit. Then click Add More. Next, select Account Workers KV Storage Edit.
Set an expiration date. This is recommended. Click Continue to Summary and then Create Token. Copy the token you've just created. Go back to your GitHub repository secrets. Add a new secret with name, Cloudflare API token, secret, paste the token you copied. Then click Add Secret. Now go to Actions. Select Deploy Cloudflare Worker. Click Run Workflow. Choose a name for your new worker and make sure it's different from the one created in Installation Part 1. Enter your domain, starting with HTTPS, and click Run Workflow. Wait for the workflow to complete. Once it's done, go to your Cloudflare dashboard. You'll see the new worker has been installed. Open this newly created worker, click Add Binding, select KV namespace. For the variable name, type webTuyo KV, all caps, no spaces. Under KV namespace, select the one that was created in Installation Part 1. Then click Add Binding. Next, go to Settings. Under Domains and Routes, click Add. Under Zone, select your domain, and in the route field, type static.yourdomain/site.json. Under Failure Mode, select Fail Open, then click Add Route.
Now we'll request a license and install webTuyo Renderer.
Enter your email and follow the link you received to continue. Enter your web domain, make sure you've already registered it, then click Next. Confirm your domain and click Proceed to Checkout. Read the terms and conditions, and click Activate and Download. Click Download. When the pop-up appears, enter your site data URL. It should be https://static.yourdomain/site.json. Then click Download. This will download the webTuyo renderer software along with your license. This software is what renders your website on your custom domain. In this example, we'll host it for free using Cloudflare. Go back to your Cloudflare dashboard, open Workers and Pages, and click Pages. Under Drag and Drop Your Files, click Get Started. Enter a project name. You can use your website name or any name you prefer. Then click Create Project. Under Upload Your Project Assets, click Select from your computer, choose Upload Zip, and select the zip file you downloaded in the previous step. Then click Deploy Site. When the deployment finishes, click Continue to Project. Now go to Custom Domains, Enter your domain name, click Continue, and then Activate Domain. This process can take up to 48 hours, but usually it's done within 15 minutes. Finally, go back to your web builder. Update your project and publish your website. When you visit your domain, you'll now see your site live, fully updated with your latest published changes.
Thank you for watching. You've successfully learned how to install and configure the webTuyo renderer, connect it with your own custom domain, and host it seamlessly using Cloudflare pages and workers. Your website is now live, fast, and fully integrated with the webTuyo web builder.